Okay, so I picked this kit up a couple months ago. I've been using it for a while, so I have some good opinions to share about it. In terms of skincare, I love the brand Kiehl's. I mostly use Kiehl products. That's a lot of what I do use. There are 5 products in this bag, and it was $68. That's working out to testing my math here. About 13 bucks per product. So to try them out, I figured it's pretty good. And you see, here we are a good 4 months down the road, and I still have plenty of product left to use, so clearly it's a good deal. So they included a 0.95 ounce jar of the Ultra Facial Cream. So especially going through the winter, I thought this one was great. It felt wonderful on my skin. It's empty, it's nothing in there, it's all gone. It's absorbed in here. And so I love this one. I will be repurchasing this one in particular, the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. So I've been using this a couple times a week for the past several months. I think this might be my favorite product out of the whole bag. When I started using this product, I think it made me realize that my skin was possibly drier than what I may have thought, because I could feel it absorbing into my skin, so much so that even when I use my heavier lotions, they didn't feel right until I put this underneath. What I did a lot of times at night, which is why this is gone, although I'm still working on this, is I would put this on first, and then I would go over it with the Ultra Facial Cream. So after that, my skin just felt like luxurious. Like, it felt just wonderful. I have to count because I forget. This year I'll be 37. Trying to kind of like beef up my skincare routine. I know I need to add some more products in as my skin ages. And so it has avocado in it, which you can see because of the color. You can see that you put it on, it's like it just stays there. It's not like a lotion that absorbs into your skin and then it's gone. Like it's gonna sit there for a while and just kind of like work its magic. I think I've been using too much. It's like I put it on and it's like a glob, like a visible glob, and I'm like, oh, and then I'm trying to like rub it in, and it's just kind of like staying there. I don't think I figured out how to maximize this product, but I like how my eye area feels after I use it. So I use Kiehl soap too. So this was just another soap for me to try. I liked it. I like the soap that I use. I know Kiehl's makes several different types of soap. It was just kind of like a soap is a soap. No, it's a Kiehl soap. Whether I use this one or the one that I use every day would be fine. I don't really have any wrinkles yet. I think that whenever I do start wrinkling, probably the first place to go, probably the first place is gonna wrinkle will probably be this area around my eyebrows, and then probably this area in my face. I don't really have a lot of motivation to use this product right now. I probably need to build a habit of doing things like this as a preventative measure. I realize that, but to be honest with you, I have probably only used this one like twice. And when I think about it, I'll use it, but I haven't really been thinking about it. So I can't really vouch for how great this product is. But if somebody out there buys this kit and, you want to try it, then, share your thoughts with me, because I'm curious. So if it's something that I need to incorporate as, like I said, a preventative measure, then I'd love to know that. So, share your knowledge with me. We'll all learn together. Thanks.